everybody, my name is Melanie. Let's make a bulldozer. Ready? Let's start. Let's pack this right off. So I dropped it. Okay, this one on the top, and we take two blocks, this one, and we keep it over here. And we put these two little pieces here, and with another piece which is very small, keep it here. This is the arm, and this is the two hands. We keep it. Now we have this one. We keep it here. Oh dear, this one is give that here. There. Let me keep this on. Hop! Then we keep this inside. Nina. Hey, I made a mistake, guys. We have to keep it over here. So let's try it again. So we remove the top. There. We can fix it, guys. Don't be sad. We can fix it. And then we keep it. Some blocks in the row, so I need to take them up. Oops, it's broken. That's okay, guys. It's just an accident. There's